If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. This phrase isn't just a catchy quote, it's a golden rule in facility management. Managing a facility goes far beyond keeping the lights on or reacting to repairs. It's about understanding every piece of your facility, what it is, how long it will last, how to maintain it, and how to meet the expectations of everyone who walks through your doors. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential topics in the IFMA FMP certification, the strategic planning of operations and maintenance, O&M. Whether you're studying for the exam or actively managing a facility, this knowledge is fundamental to doing the job well, and doing it right. Let's simplify and break it down into 5 key tasks every facility manager must master. The 5 core tasks of O&M strategic planning. To develop a successful O&M strategy, a facility manager must 1. Identify all physical assets and create a complete inventory. 2. Determine how often each asset needs maintenance or repair. 3. Build a realistic, proactive maintenance schedule. 4. Understand and comply with all codes, standards, and regulations. 5. Clarify and deliver the services and comfort levels occupants expect. Step 1. Know what you have. Identify physical assets. Everything starts with this simple truth: you can't manage what you don't know exists. Imagine trying to maintain a building without knowing what's inside it, like navigating in the dark. That's why a facility manager's first job is to identify every material, system, and piece of equipment in the building. But here's the catch: assets aren't static. Over time, they wear out, malfunction, or become outdated. That's why O&M isn't just about upkeep, it's also about managing change and staying a step ahead. A thorough, up-to-date asset inventory helps with more than just repairs. It's a tool for forecasting, budgeting, planning capital renewals, and ensuring the facility runs smoothly today and tomorrow. When there's no inventory, conduct a facility inspection. If a reliable asset inventory doesn't exist, the next move is a full facility inspection. Here's what inspectors look for: equipment that's damaged, malfunctioning, or missing. Poor lighting, leaks, or strange odors. Signs of rust, corrosion, excessive vibration or noise. Airflow problems or safety hazards like tripping risks or unsecured vents. These findings help build a complete asset register and reveal early warning signs before they become critical issues. But inspections do more than identify problems. They also confirm if your maintenance programs are working, give you a chance to gather feedback from occupants, connecting the building's condition to the organization's broader mission, laying the foundation for everything else. Once the asset inventory is complete, it becomes the foundation for all O&M decisions. It supports contract management and lease terms, emergency preparedness and business continuity, safety and security technologies, environmental sustainability programs, future facility projects, quality assurance and performance tracking, budgeting, forecasting, and leadership decisions. Everything traces back to that core understanding: what's in the building, what condition it's in, and how it's changing. Operations and maintenance isn't just about fixing what breaks. It's about planning, anticipating, and leading. It all starts with knowing what you have, and using that knowledge to make better, smarter decisions. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how to design maintenance cycles that save costs, reduce downtime, and extend the life of your assets. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's keep building your FMP expertise, one module at a time.